Wanted to share this with the world. I do not remember where I got this. I want to say Hobby Lobby, but it could have been Walmart. Those are pretty much my only two places for getting stuff now. Anyway, it's little and it's an interesting shape. So I was like, oh, okay. Which reminds me of a plectrum for playing the lute.
Well, that's one game down. I lost.
And so it's really cool. It has this little nub here. It's just this little two thing. And you just turn them in opposite directions. And what I liked about it, first of all, it came with a few needles. Kind of a variety, actually. And you think, okay, well, that's a really shallow tray. Well, it's not a tray. It's a magnet. Well, I was looking at it, and the reason I made this video is because I was looking at it. I'm at a pool hall, by the way, and I flipped it over, and I happened to see that. And I thought, I wonder what that is. So I pulled it out, and mind you, this thing was like, I might have gotten this at a flea market. This thing was like $3. I pulled it out and was so excited to see a needle threader. Is that not cool? This is the coolest little device, and it's right in there with a magnet, and I don't know if you noticed this, but it also has a magnifying glass. So, let's see. This is from the outside. Let's see if I can get something to read. I just was putting on some buttons. So this is the inside. That's pretty good. And then this is, it doesn't open all the way, but that's all right. So if this way it should be, oh wow. That also does it. That's pretty unusual to have I think it bulges in the same direction no matter how you use it. So, I just wanted to show you this amazing little notion. And I hope you find one for yourself.